I hope he remembers who he gave it to. Yeah, right. At the end of the talk, where's my rifle?
Sometimes sword in the old guard dresses up in like the colonial attire. So we have a bunch of these.
They asked me that in the airport.
Well, and that's one thing he was asking about the rifle. So I was at the morning corps course at Fort Frederick, and they did a demonstration. So I told her I recognized a leather piece here. I'm guessing that it was an accident go off.
Yeah, that was what I was saying.
And if these people mind us trooping around through the back of their yards.
They're probably used to it.
I would imagine, yeah.
They're probably like, yeah, whatever.
Too much. Although I know a lot of people that are kind of like knowledgeable and trust.
Yeah, we're trying to preserve Revolutionary War sites as best as we can, but it's part of a chunk of them are in the cities, like New York and everything. But yeah, we have Minuteman National Park up there.
Yeah, they're getting ready for the 250.
Yeah, I know, I'm excited. I'll be up there too.
And then 6 weeks later will be Bunker Hill.
Yeah, it's funny, I was in the office the other day, and I was
I was going to say, I don't want somebody, you know.
Well, we have our sergeant of arms with my musket over there. Yo, musket dude. This is the terrace that comes down right here on this side, but they've fenced it up. Haven't been actually back there.
Yeah, no, I know that's. So yeah, Jim showed you this house, the White House right there. Some of the base of the fort.
Thank you.
That is built on there, right there. That's where you can. As you pointed out, they put this fence up here. You used to be able to get a better picture of it.
But that's our dirt. We can at least brag on that, you know, to Fort Frederick.
So that's all that remains here. Where else were you going to stop, Jim?
We were going to go down the mall, but what time are we at now?
We have till 3:30. Okay. I think we've got time if you want to walk down there to Washington.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.